Hello guys, it's Demian from the project. Today we are going to replace the fits for the hydraulic leveling system on the 2023 Thor Pasadena RV. These are the original fits. They are very light, 9 inches diameter, only 34 ounces on weight. We are replacing for these 12 inches heavy duty, 140 ounces, 12 inches fits. This is going to be a video part 1 and part 2. We also order the 12 inches pads that they are going to be attached to these fits, but we are waiting for them to get here in our shop. That's why it's going to be a second part. I want to show you how we are going to replace this to get our RV level. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. With the 24 millimeter tube, we are going to unscrew the screw from the bottom that is holding the plate. If you cannot start unscrewing the bolt, what you can do is use a bar to create more force on the ratchet and then start unscrewing until the plate is completely out. Now that we have the plate out, we are going to proceed to put the new pad. One comment very important from the manufacturer is to put blue Loctite on the screw before tighten up to avoid losing the pad on the highway. Something that we notice is that when the pad is, the foot is completely tight, we still seeing some type of movement on the foot, and based on manufacturer information, this movement is normal to be able to adjust to the surface when the hydraulic is touching ground. Okay, now that we have all 4 foots installed, we are going to wait. I invite you to see the video part number 2, where we are going to install the foot pads, okay, that they are coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.